Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm a certified avian specialist, and I've been working here at Bird Jungle for 2 years. Right now, we're going to groom a Grooming macaw. Allah. Hi, we just finished trimming his nails and now we're going to trim his wings. For a wing trim, we usually trim the outer 6 primary feathers. For a macaw, African greys, large cockatoos that have dense bodies, we usually do a 1.5 trim, meaning that we leave the outer primary feather uncut, the second primary feather cut in half, and then 3, 4, 5, and 6 trimmed. Step up. Now he's all done and he's ready to go.